Okay, now we have today's thumbnail sponsor. Spot Bitcoin ETFs continue to attract record institutional inflows. So this is one of the reasons why, behind the high Bitcoin price approaching its all-time highs of $69,000. So let's read what's going on. Observers think that spot Bitcoin ETFs have experienced a surge in institutional interest because of what? Because interest in Bitcoin continues to surge among institutional investors. Yeah. So, hey, Bitcoin is soaring because investors are continuing to invest in it. Really? Thanks for pointing out the obvious, as people do. As evidenced by record inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs, which continue to reach new all-time highs, this trend has played a significant role in driving the price of Bitcoin to its highest level in years. Currently, spot ETFs have accumulated, representing a 3.81% of Bitcoin's total supply. Inflows saw a remarkable increase on Wednesday, with exchange-traded funds adding over $500 million in a single day. Notably, alongside these inflows, the trading volumes of these exchange-traded funds have also seen significant growth. Yesterday, the total volume of US-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs exceeded $6 billion. BlackRock's IBIT in particular achieved a trading volume of $3.3 billion in one day, smashing the previous record of $1.357 billion. Currently, IBIT is the leader in both trading volume and inflows, holding around 141,369 Bitcoin. Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust holds the second position with 99,340 Bitcoin. Okay, so people who don't understand Bitcoin ETFs. So this is what it is. Exchange traded funds is basically, like for example, Apple has over 450 exchange traded funds. One ETF is a fund that's investing into a basket of technology stocks. They're just like, okay, we're gonna invest in the top technology stocks. That's one fund. Another fund is investing in the top 500 stocks worldwide. That's another fund. Another fund is investing in the safest retirement stocks based on growth over the past 10 years. That's another fund. So that's 400 funds and so on and so on and so on holding up the Apple stock price. We already have about 3 Bitcoin ETFs. That means that the more ETFs that surround Bitcoin, the more the price will cradle and go upwards. This is very important. Significantly, Fidelity has recently advised its clients to allocate 1 to 3% of their portfolios to cryptocurrency, a noteworthy suggestion considering its $12.6 trillion in assets under management. This recommendation could catalyze substantial new investments in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in the medium term, potentially setting a precedent for other wealth managers to follow. They kind of had to follow. While Bitcoin garners much attention, Ethereum has also carved out a significant presence in institutional portfolios. A recent report from IBIT indicates that Ether has surpassed Bitcoin as the preferred crypto asset among institutions, primarily due to the anticipated benefits of the upcoming Ethereum upgrade. As institutional interest in cryptocurrency continues to grow, so does the competition among infrastructure providers catering to institutional investors. Kraken, one of the oldest exchanges in the space, recently announced the launch of Kraken Institutional, a new suite of products and services specifically designed for institutional trading, staking, and custody of crypto assets. This move by Kraken represents a significant entry into a market currently dominated by Coinbase, which acts as the custodian for 8 of the 10 newly launched Bitcoin ETFs. Kraken is now positioning itself to capture a share of the lucrative market. They kind of have to. So, why though? Kraken is one of the oldest exchanges in space. Recently launched the launch of Kraken Institutional, a new suite of products and services designed for institutional trading. Wow, this is impressive. So Kraken has been in the game for a long time. I might look at some Kraken tokens. So why does Binance have a higher coin price than Kraken though? As an increasing number of institutions and infrastructure providers enter the market, the outlook for Bitcoin and altcoins becomes exceedingly bullish. It is crucial to recognize that this bullish trend is only beginning, with little interest yet from retail investors, as both institutions and retail investors rush into the crypto space. The price of cryptocurrency can easily go to unprecedented highs. Wow.